Hey beauties, welcome back to Wendy's World. So I want to thank you. We have just surpassed 44,000 views across the channel. Now I think it was just a few videos ago that I was talking about the fact that I was at 22,000 views. So that's really exciting for me. And I just want to say hello to my subscribers in the US and in Canada and in India. So let's just get right to it. So this video today is about this wonderful, amazing beauty product that I just found. And actually, funny enough, I found it at Shoppers Drug Mart. I know. It's crazy because we often think to ourselves that we have to spend a lot of money to get a really good product, but actually I disagree. And I try to bring some very inexpensive products that you can easily purchase from your local Shoppers Drug Mart, or being in Vancouver now, London Drugs. So I did pick this particular one up at Shoppers Drug Mart and I really love it. It is a blush kit and it's from Physicians Formula. Here it is. And it's the Butter Collection by Weylie Hoang. And honestly, beauties, I love this. And I've tried all kinds of blushes. But this particular collection I love more than any collection I've ever purchased. And that is because it has some beautiful colors. And if you're like me, you're a little bit darker skin tone. And if you're like me, you might like all the shiny, iridescent colors. And it gives you a base as well as the more iridescent colors that you can lay on top. You can layer these colors, and in my case, I genuinely love the apricot one. Now the apricot is this particular one, and then I laid this on top of it. So I'm going to demonstrate it for you. This kit was only, I think it was about, I'll link it in my description, but I think it was about close to $25 or $30. It was a very reasonable. I mean, look at that. So you can bring your look into the evening and you can use this color. It's a darker color. It has more depth to it. It's called the Wildflower. So my particular one that I love more than anything, because as you know, I have a little bit of color. We are entering into summer in beautiful Vancouver, so I like to spice it up with a little bit of shine. So that is the apricot, and then I use the Whimsical Caprice. And I don't know if you can see it, but it's beautiful. It's got some gold tones and some beautiful peach tones. So these are the two ones that I'm going to show to you. Now if you really want to bring it into the evening, you can try this, and that's the Golden Hour. I mean, that's the name. You can see, I think you can see how shiny and beautiful that is. So for today's purpose, because it is daytime here in Vancouver, I'm going to use the apricot and then the Whimsical. I'm going to demonstrate it now. How's summer going for you thus far? It is beautiful here in Vancouver. My God, this was the first spring for me and I couldn't believe the flowers on the trees. So there you have it. And I have no blush on right now. I have a foundation, however. Isn't that pretty? It's nice and soft, not too much. I'm going to use the other side. So this is fabulous on mature skin, ladies. So if you're afraid of, I don't know, just having too much on, or, you know, feeling like you're too old for a look like this, well, I certainly believe you are not. I mean, look at me. I'm in my 50s, and you probably are too. I know my viewers are between 45 and 65. Welcome. And I hope that you feel comfortable using something like this. Now I'm going to go and I'm going to touch it up with the Whimsical. Have a look. See? It just gives a little bit of glam. So the light, look at the light, just bounces off of it really nicely. pretty, isn't it? Now, if I want to bring some hollowness to my cheeks and I can use this, and it's the Wildflower. Isn't that lovely? And I'm going to bring a little bit of this color down my neck and across my collarbone. And there you have it, beauties. Isn't that fabulous? Now, I don't think I mentioned the other beautiful colors in this collection, and that is you also have the option to have just a pure bronzer. You have the deep bronzer right here, or you have the butter bronzer. And what I really, really love about this collection, other than the fact that it is butter smooth, exactly what she says when she named this product, and that is it goes on so smoothly like butter, is the fact that you can mix and match all these beautiful colors. So, for instance, you can just do the deep bronzer if you want. Especially in summer. I am so excited about the summer in Vancouver, and that is I'm going to be out on my paddleboard. You might be as well, or you might be out walking your dog or playing tennis. Just put on a beautiful summer-inspired bronzer. Fabulous. So go out, get yourself this gorgeous collection. It is apparently a limited collection, and it's by Physicians Formula, the Butter Collection by Weylie Hoang. Lovely product. You will not be disappointed. So I thank you so much for joining me on Wendy's World, and I'll see you next time on my next tutorial. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye for now. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, beautiful.